People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.